This is Nobody's Listening on
Panther Vision!
Meow. Hey people, it's me, your VP. You know me, coming at you live on the drive. Here are your morning announcements. Preston Echoes Ask Pinky Advice column will now run through the pouches. In each pouch, there will be a pink envelope and a poster explaining the new system. Leave your questions in the envelope and Pinky will answer them at prestonechoes.org. As Halloween approaches, the Student Council encourages you to dress up in our school theme, Preston Productions, as we celebrate Halloween in our annual assembly. Dress appropriately as your favorite characters from famous movies or shows. Seniors, please respond to the latest Halloween skit email. We will be meeting today during studies, that's 8-1 and 8-2, to make this skit one for the books. So if you want to participate, you must stay regardless of privilege. If you don't come, you cannot participate. Speak to me for any questions or concerns. There will be a conspiracy club meeting today after school. Or will they? What room? Send your friends a pumpkin gram this week leading up to Halloween. Pumpkins will be available for sale after school for just $2 and will be distributed during homeroom. Amy Zalea lost her vocabulary book, and Alicia Sukram also lost her purple spiral notebook. If found, please bring it to the main office. Now, let's give a big welcome to our shadows today. When I say go potential, you say
Panthers!
Go potential!
Panthers!
Attention Panthers! Open house is this Sunday and we're asking for your help in making our school camera ready. To inspire you, let's take a look at one of our open house videos. Thank you to the wonderful producer, Mrs. DeKilo.
Each day it's 8 hours, more like 12 hours of school. Even weekends are sorts of events too. We spend late nights doing homework on the bus. But that's Preston, yeah, it's how we roll, yeah, in the Bronx. And girls like you probably know it's true. Preston's a school for you. We need a girl like you, yeah, yeah.
This is Nobody's Listening on